In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your Claude AI data quickly and safely. Whether you want to keep a backup of your chats, download your account information, or simply save your data for your own records, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Claude in your web browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're inside Claude, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile name or your initials there. Click on that and a menu will appear. From the menu, select Settings. This is where Claude keeps all of the account and privacy options you need. After the settings page opens, look for the Privacy tab and click on it. The Privacy section is where you'll find the controls related to your personal data and account exports. Now, inside the Privacy tab, you should see an option labeled Export Data. Click that option and Claude will ask you to confirm the export request. Go ahead and confirm the prompt. This tells Anthropic that you want a copy of your Claude data prepared for download. Once you confirm, you don't usually get the file immediately. Instead, Anthropic will send a download link to the email address connected to your account. So open your email inbox and look for the message from Anthropic or Claude. When you find it, click the download link inside the email. Just keep in mind that this link expires after 24 hours, so it's a good idea to download your archive as soon as possible. After you click the link, your data archive will begin downloading and you can save it to your computer for backup or reference. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Claude AI data. This is a great habit if you ever want to keep a personal copy of your account information or stay organized with your AI conversations. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.